Thank you all. It's always difficult to deliver any speech, to tell you we have very nice 2 or 3 days, and it's time that we go back to our duties. I am really, really thankful to every one of you, all of you. You have really been very strong support to education. And I take this opportunity really to tell everybody we have proved that we can work together. Public, private, it's all for Bahrain. We thank very much University of Bahrain for being our strategic partner. We thank Ahlia University, Prof Al of course, who allowed us to work together. If Dr. Mansour mentioned that he was smelling the air of University of Bahrain when we were in Sakhir campus, I can tell you, 30 of my best years I've spent it there, and I could see all my old friends, new friends, and working hand to hand, we will do magic for Bahrain. There is nothing impossible in our dictionary. Working together with people like Kevin Downing, Miss Mark, with everybody, all this beautiful team she had, Lena and all the others. It's very difficult to call names, so you miss others. But I must tell you, it was great pleasure. We've been working for the last 4 or 5 years, and I'm trying to convince Miss Mark and Kevin to come and see my beautiful country, the warm people of Bahrain, and our great students really, from Ahlia University and Bahrain University. It did prove to people that we love people. We love expatriates also. We love to learn and to join, and this is the message from the top. The message from His Majesty the King, the message from Prime Minister, the message from Crown Prince, the message from the Minister of Education, message from everywhere. We believe that although we are a small country with a small number, we're only 1.4 million, but our ambition are far beyond the size. And our hearts always beating, trying to make sure we didn't miss anything. So I really do apologize for any of you if there is something we couldn't do, because sometimes overwhelmed will make you forget the nearest to you. So I take this opportunity really to tell every one of you, especially those who came from very long distances, some of them came on 14 or 15 hours flight from the east and the west. Our partners from Brunel and our partners from Saudi Arabia, UBT, and many, many others, I have seen old friends who I have seen for the first time in Johannesburg, and I've seen them here today. I've seen people when we went to Australia, and they were here today, including John O'Leary. We did meet him this morning, but he nearly overtook us. But it's always a pleasure seeing all of you And I invite you, all of you, whenever there is a QS, whether it's Apple or Maple, to really join, because we learn from each other. We, all of us, inshallah, we believe in mankind. Whatever is our religion, color, size, pockets, and we're not going to, by the way, rank wives or husbands. It was only a humorous joke. But we want to tell everybody that here in Bahrain, the country of aspirations, we want to change. We want to change to the hope, the country of hope. And we want to thank people when they do something, government when they do something. And this is what says in our Quran, لَأَنْ شَكَرْتُمْ لِأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. So when the government do anything, we can thank you very much. In the past, let me see, we always get embarrassed of telling fathers and mothers, we love you, or telling the government, we love you. But I want to take this opportunity from here, with the education in my mind, with the quality in my mind, with the rankings in my mind. We love you all. We had very, very beautiful 3 days with you. And if you have 1 or more days to see my beautiful country, take the opportunity to see it. And you will know when we say something about this beautiful kingdom, we deserve it. So thank you very much. Thank you indeed. And God bless you. And I hope every one of you reach home very safe. Thank you indeed. Thank you. We love you all.